How to clean the throttle body without opening it. And why clean the throttle body? When the throttle body becomes dirty, symptoms of what could be a problem include rough idling, rough or sluggish acceleration, poor fuel economy and stalling. By using a throttle body cleaning product, you can clean the dirt and solve the problem. Remove the air filter box to clean the throttle body. A dirty throttle body causes the check engine light to come on. Use to clean the throttle body. Air intake and throttle valve cleaner. To clean a dirty throttle valve, spray the throttle valve cleaner first. After spraying the throttle valve cleaner, wipe it clean with a new cloth or tissue paper. After spraying the throttle valve cleaner, clean the dirt thoroughly with a clean cloth. See that after cleaning the throttle body, the yellow cloth has become black dirty. Thoroughly clean the throttle valve body so that there is no dirty. See now there is no dirt on the throttle valve body. Throttle valve body is clean. Throttle valve body is cleaned well. Now I will get inside the car to start the car engine. Throttle valve body is cleaned well. Now I will get inside the car to start the car engine.